Everyone, these are the question answers of the poem Macavity, the Mystery Cat. So let's start. Question 1. Complete the following sentences. A part. A master criminal is one who defies the law. Defies means disobey. Macavity defies all laws. He even defies the law of gravity and escapes from the scene of crime. B. The Scotland Yard is baffled because baffled means confused. Scotland Yard, detective agency of England, they are confused. Why? Because whenever they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. They are unable to catch Macavity red-handed as he escapes from the crime scene even before they arrive. C. Dash. Because Macavity moves much faster than them. Nobody can catch Macavity at the scene of crime because Macavity moves much faster than them. Macavity is very fast. He disappears quickly. Question 2. A cat, I am sure, could walk on a cloud without coming through. These lines are taken from a book written by Jules Verne. Which law is Macavity breaking in the light of the comment above? In the answer, in the light of above comment, Macavity is breaking the law of gravity. It means it is difficult to trace the mysterious cat Macavity because he commits crime and disappears from the scene. He has broken every human law as well as the law of gravity. Law of gravity here means that no one can vanish but Macavity does. Question 3. Describe Macavity in 2 or 3 sentences of your own. Answer. Macavity is a ginger cat. Ginger cat means Macavity is very cunning and cautious, who is very tall and thin, with sunken eyes. His eyes are sunken and brows deeply lined with thought. His forehead is wrinkled because of continuous planning to commit crime. And the head is widely domed. His head is dome-like. Its coat is dusty. His coat is dirty because of neglect, and whiskers are uncombed, and hair on his cheeks is not combed. Question 4. Write false or true for each of the following statements. Number 1. Macavity is not an ordinary cat. This statement is true because Macavity is not an ordinary cat. He is mysterious cat. Number 2. Macavity cannot do what a fakir can easily do. This is false. Fakirs are supposed to have magical powers, but Macavity's powers of levitation would make a fakir stare in disbelief. Fakirs are shocked to see Macavity rising high in the air. Number 3. Macavity has supernatural powers. True. Number 4. Macavity is well dressed, smart and bright. This statement is false. Macavity is not well dressed as its coat is dusty out of neglect. Its eyes are sunken and dull, not bright. Number 5. Macavity is a spy, a criminal, all rolled in one. This statement is true. Question 5. Why does the poet call Macavity a fiend and a monster? Answer. The poet calls Macavity a fiend and a monster, means devil, because the quick movements of a cat and its mysterious eyes might have influenced him to create this evil character in the form of a cat. It means in order to create a negative character who is a criminal, the poet calls Macavity a fiend, a devil. Macavity is very quick in movement and disappears in thin air before the police arrives. So the mysterious devil-like eyes might have influenced the poet to create this character who is corrupt and wicked by nature. Number 6. Name the poem and the poet. What is the name of the poem? Name of the poem is Macavity the Mystery Cat, and the poet is T.S. Eliot. Number 7. Explain powers of levitation. Answer. It means Macavity is exceptionally skilled to jump high in the air. Macavity can rise up in the air and disappears from the scene of crime. It can float into the air. Number 8. Why is Macavity never found at the scene of crime? Answer. Macavity is a mysterious cat. He is capable of doing impossible tasks. It can levitate. It can float into the air. Nobody can catch him as he moves faster than them. That is all for today. Thank you.